Hello viewers, welcome to Seven Boats official YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about meme marketing. Now what are memes? Memes have been a part of our social media culture for years. Now these memes can be used for marketing also. Businesses can promote their products, their services, or anything they want to sell through memes. They can engage audience with their Facebook, Instagram, or other social media channels. Now before I proceed, I'll request all of you to subscribe to our channel for this kind of trends, latest things and tips from our channel. Let's see a presentation. If you go through this presentation and note on the points, you can learn meme marketing very easily in only few minutes. And further, if you want to learn meme marketing in details, we have put a link in our video description. You can go to our website and learn meme marketing from there. Hope this information is useful to you. If you liked it, after going through our website, read the blog and do not forget to comment on that blog and also come back to our channel to comment on our video to let us know if this kind of information is useful to you. Thank you.